I'm Anushka Vashne and welcome to Walk the Talk. Today we have Suryansh with us. Could you
Hello.
please introduce yourself?
Hello Anushka, myself Suryan Singh. I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Currently pursuing integrated BBA MBA from UPS Dehradun in third year.
So our topic for discussion is, are we controlling technology or is technology controlling us?
So according to me, controlling technology is controlling us because in the morning when you wake up, you after turning off your alarm, what do you see first? Your notifications which came from last night, your emails, your data which has came or something information new important news came last night on your phone.
Okay, so what is your point of view on this?
My point of view on this topic should be like I can say technology is controlling us in many ways. Like if we are doing anything, seeing things, or doing our assignments or some project, we always ask ChatGPT to do it. But it's a very wrong thing because we are completely dependent on AI tools to just complete our work, our assignments, our projects, and our day day to day works.
Okay, so what do you think we can do to help us with the situation?
So what we can do to help us with situation is there are many and numerous content or and numerous solutions to do it, but there is one more solution is it controlling yourself first, because by doing some controlling on yourself like making schedules, using AI tools or Instagram reels, seeing them very less at time, and I don't think that the solution will work very efficiently until we control ourselves, our own, and aware about others and aware about us how we are doing ourselves in this generation. And I don't think कि today's and our future generation will understand this, because we only think कि AI tools are for us, but AI tools are ruining our brains, damaging our thinking power and damaging ourselves too.
So you listed many ways how we can control technology. Why do you think it is important?
It is important because as if I think we all do use ChatGPT for doing our work, but uh, have you ever think about ki why we always use ChatGPT or AI tools only? Because someone has told us in our past time that this is our AI tool on which you can find anything, but AI is only made by us. We are the main, only only sorcerer of that AI tools and technology. So if we don't have the control to control it, then we are just ruining and we are just making technology to win ourselves on ourselves only. As technology will only lead us, if technology lead us, then human existence would just disappear in this, and AI and artificial intelligence will rule us.
Thank you for sharing your point of view. It was a great discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you.